Congratulations. How many of you are happy? Very good. You are all blessed, whether you say you are happy or not. I saw it. His blessings have touched all of you. I saw it. I am a witness to the fact he touched and blessed you with his hand on your head. This is a great moment. I am very happy to be with you. When I leave from here, as Jonathan has announced, with your permission and with the permission of Jonathan, I'll go and convey great Master's blessings to the food you are going to eat. This lunch on Bandara day is also a little different from other days. It's blessed with the best blessings you can get from a Master in the food. Food is merely an item to put in your mouth and digest it, but the association with the food makes a difference. When I say it's blessed food, you will think of it as blessed food, and it tastes little different. If I didn't say, you might not know it. But I am creating an association of the food with blessings. Similarly, there will be some prasad that will be served at the end of the program today, which will be ordinary food. But it will have the blessings of the Master in it, and therefore it will not be ordinary food anymore. It does not mean that the molecular structure of the food will change. It does not mean it will become something different. It's still the same. But when you eat it, the association will be with the Master. And that is the importance of prasad. Prasad means every time you look at it, every time you take it, every time you have anything to do with it, it reminds you of your Master. That's the value of prasad. So prasad is merely blessed food. So you will have 2 doses of blessed food today. One at lunchtime and one at the end of the program. So the one that you carry with you, take a little at a time and make it last. Because the longer it lasts, the longer you will be able to remember the Master, and the longer will be the good meditation you will be able to do. And if you run short of it, take some similar thing like what is given in the prasad and put it in and mix it up and shake it thoroughly so that it becomes blessed like the little prasad that is left in your bag. We used to do it. We used to do this. They used to give puffed rice to us at prasad, and we used to, if it became less, we put some more puffed rice into it and mixed it up. And some was for our mind, because our mind said, now this is puffed rice, this part is prasad, maybe this one is not. But we tried to buy identical kind of puffed rice, so we couldn't know which one is which. And sometimes we would take a little extra to make sure at least 1 grain of the prasad comes in. But do you know, even by doing that, we were constantly thinking of Master. Even playing this game with prasad, our thoughts were of the Master. So the real method of doing meditation is to remember the Master. There is nothing like it. If you remember the Master, that is meditation. Because if you remember the Master, you are continuously building a relationship of love with the Master and continuously building something that's going to take you above the mind.